Tonight, a Fox 59 exclusive. Whistleblowers and animal welfare experts claim that animal care in Marion County is in grave condition right now. Among their allegations, they say dogs are being euthanized, Good Samaritans are told to leave strays in the streets, and thousands of dogs, they say, are being diverted from Indianapolis Animal Care Services.
As Fox 59's Angela Gano explains, one group says they took their concerns to Mayor Joe Hogsett, but when nothing changed, they came to us.
August 12th, Maui adopted from Indianapolis Animal Care Services. August 13th, Maui was dead. Euthanized after an adopter brought him back to IACS within 12 hours. April 6th, Mo euthanized.
Feel their last breaths. They sit in trash bags in the cooler. And that's it.
Adopted December 4th, 2022, Mo returned 2 days later. The Border Collie described as too jumpy. Multiple IACS sources told us they had a foster family for Mo, but they were denied.
It's just difficult to accept.
Sam Ciancone used to work for IACS. He was responsible for euthanizing dogs. In the first 8 months of this year, IACS confirmed 734 dogs have been put down. That number is higher despite the fact the shelter is taking in less than 2/3 the dogs they took in before the pandemic.
People just being out of touch of what really happens within the county and then what happens within that building, decisions.
They don't focus enough on adoptions, they don't focus enough on fosters, they don't focus enough on rescues, and they just put whatever energy that they have into euthanizing dogs.
Mary Dombrowski is one of the nearly 100 Indiana animal welfare advocates who took their concerns to Indianapolis Mayor Joe Hogsett on July 25th. Justin Allen says it's, quote, a moral failure. IACS is blatantly ignoring policy, euthanizing for space, not bad behavior.
Level 1 bites, which means basically a nick that a dog, maybe a warning nip, lunges. We've had numerous dogs euthanized without even having a bite on their record.
Hendricks, Johnson, and Hamilton County Humane Society directors say IACS stopped taking in their own Marion County strays, instead diverting them to their taxpayers and telling people to lie about it.
Sometimes you gotta lie just a wee bit just to see if the other humane societies will take them.
A whistleblower taped this conversation with an IACS employee. She asked for anonymity because she works for a local animal welfare organization. She says IACS told her if she left the stray she found with them, they would euthanize it. She was told another option was to let the stray loose.
The animal back where you found it.
Abandoning a dog is illegal, and that includes if you pick up a stray. Dogs are supposed to go to the county where they're found. After taking in more than 40 Marion County dogs last year, Johnson County started driving the dogs back to IACS and leaving them at their back door.
Their policies are affecting us.
It's maddening.
Hamilton County Humane Society CEO Rebecca Stevens also sent a separate letter to Mayor Hogsett in April.
This is what I told the mayor's policy advisor. I said, you're causing my people pain.
She says she doesn't have the heart to drive them back to IACS because she's seen what happens. Fox 59 requested an interview with the mayor and the deputy director of IACS, but we were denied.
When I receive what I think is kind of an inflammatory letter, that wasn't a last-ditch effort because they've reached out to me several times and I haven't answered or I haven't met with them, but just is jumping straight to that space. I didn't want to, address it in a way that gave it more strength.
Abby Brands is the City of Indianapolis Department of Business and Neighborhood Services Director. That department oversees IACS. She sat down to answer our questions, starting with what is on that audio tape.
We also give other list of other shelters in the area.
She said telling community members to lie to get other shelters to take their animals is not policy.
But if they said it, that must mean that they felt like it was true. Like, you can't leave this dog here because we will kill it.
I think our staff is realistically aware of the struggles that our shelter goes through.
Strand says the shelter is in crisis, but it's nothing new. It has been for years. She was hired in January and is disappointed IACS did not get chosen for 2 federal grants that would help build a larger, more modern facility. but told me they are making changes.
We created a new administrator position, the Administrator of Policy and Planning.
And she's trying to hire another position that will hopefully allow a greater focus on higher adoptions, higher fosters, and marketing dogs that are available instead of diverting dogs.
We had
This group and the whistleblowers say they've heard that for years.
I think the shelter lacks the drive and focus to get dogs out of the building through the front door.
This is a philosophy that comes from it starts with the mayor's office. This is a government-operated shelter.
Angela Gannot, Fox 59 News.
Now, so far, the city has spent $5 million to rehab the site they want to use for a new animal shelter, and they need more. Colts owner Jim Irsay hinted he may be willing to help and that some sort of announcement could come this fall. We'll keep you posted.